Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RSHN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis several times last week, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made based directly on these annotations. First thing I'm going to do, though, is a little house cleaning and go ahead and get rid of that line down there. Sure, that level still pertains to the chart. It's just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's clutter with lines all over the place. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. First update comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that did watch the last video, hopefully you remember me talking about 0033 as that area of resistance. But this morning, the price not only broke above that level, but after the break just continued on forward. So in technical jargon and trading, jargon, we'd call this a pattern breakout. That price had been entered into a consolidation phase, but it's definitely broken outside of that, area. So again, 0033, one of the newest areas of support. The ideal level of support, if you say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if 0037 can hold. Now, don't get me wrong, though. If the price falls below 0037, I am not saying that means the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. That's just a level where, like I said, what would make the chart look just absolutely, truly powerful? Staying above that would be great, but by no means is it a must-hold or do-or-die level or anything like that. So 0037 and then 0033, like I've already talked about. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, pretty straightforward at this point in time. It stalled today right up there at 004 a couple of times before the closing bell came around. So 004 is going to be that key level. Good news is, assuming there's no gap downs or anything, the price can resume just doing battle with it right out the gates tomorrow. So that's always a good sign where the price doesn't have to travel a certain distance just to be able to start to do battle. Like I said, assuming no gap downs, the price will be able to resume its battle right away. All in all, though, no doubt about it, nice breakout today. A great way to start the week, and as long as the price continues to build higher bases like it's been doing, then these levels and these areas of support are just going to keep on creeping their way up higher and higher. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.